Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you elements which will be regarding festivities which is available in Canva. So let's start with it. So I am choosing YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. So I will quickly go to elements and type in the first set, which is NAFRW883BAG. So this is the first code, and as you can see, the first festivities collection, and as you can see it is in Pop Kids family. So this one is the first thing, and as you can see you can change every color here. You can see in the section, and the main thing is, as you can see, they are free to use here. Okay, so the first set is done. So I will go to the next set, which is NAFTIOIVDHE. So this one is Popski's woman serving food, and with that you can also find the different types of servings here. Okay, so this is another free section of collection. As you can see, they are all available for free, and in this same also you can change the color of all the elements here. Okay, as you can see, the color templates are present here. So let's go to the third one. Okay, third one is NAFTITKE5CE. So this one, as you can see, it's a texture geometric celebration, and here as you can also find the festivities, sweets and dishes. As you can see, suji halwa, and here you can find aloo bundi or aloo bunda, as you can see here. So you can find this also, and the main thing is, as you can see it again, you can change all the colors here. So the ones which I am showing, they are all free to use till now. Whichever element I have shown, all of them are free to use, and you can change the colors for all of them. Okay, so let's go to the fourth font, which is NAFTZIM-1EY. Okay, so this one, as you can see, they are free to use, and they are in animation version, and it is in Diwali pattern, maximalist beads. And as you can see, this one is maximalist candle, this one is maximalist lanterns, and best thing is these are all free to use, and these are animations. Many a times we find that the animations we want to use in Canva, in most of the cases they are in pro section. So here is the collection you can use, and everything is in free section. Okay, so the last one which I am going to share with you is NAFPWGUED4. Okay, this one is texture geometric, father and daughter here. Next thing which we find is texture geometric friends playing during Diwali, and Here also you can see all are free to use, and you can change the color for all of them. So all the 5 which I've said, the sets for the keywords or the collection, you can see all are festivities elements, and the main thing is they are all free to use and you can change all the colors.